Boolean text search in Python. I'm looking for an existing modules which enabled me to write basic Boolean queries for matching and searching text, without writing my own parser, etc. For example, would match true against the President Ronald Reagan. The President Ronald Reagan and Bush. Max Bush was not a president, but false on George Bush was a president. I don't know how to spell Ronald Reagan. So far I found Boolean no, which seems a bit overkill, but could do the task. However, their group is inactive, and I couldn't figure out from the documentation what to do. Thanks. Edit. The exact style or grammar is not critical. My aim is to provide non-tech users with the ability to search certain texts a bit beyond keyword search.
Disclaimer: I am the creator of the package presented below. For the people who might come to this page, I built a package to do just that, still in beta. Your query would be translated in the following code. You can use it on some pandas data frame as well. Check the Git page for more info. This URL.
It would be pretty lucky to find a pre-existing library that happens to be ready to pass the example expression that you provided. I recommend making your expression format a bit more machine-readable, while retaining all of its clarity. A Lisp-S expression, which uses prefix notation, is compact and clear. And President, or Ronald George Sally. Writing a parser for this format is easier than for your format. Or you could just switch to Lisp and it will parse it natively. Smile. Side note, I assume you didn't mean to make your not operator binary, right?
You might want to take a look at the simple bool.py code on this page that uses the pip parsing module. Otherwise, here's some simple code I wrote. This isn't a module, but it might get you in the right direction. And you can test other ones. I used TMP because the line was getting so long.
I use Sphinx for full text search from Python in my website. It has a simple syntax that supports Boolean matchings, but with operators, not words. For example, your query would be President Reagan vertical bar Bush George. Lucene has the same feature.
It also will kill millions of